Good evening. Thanks for being here. We begin tonight with another A News exclusive. The case of a Victoria man who alleges he was assaulted by a senior Victoria police officer while he was in police cells, who says he never should have been in the jail in the first place. Frank Blair claims he was arrested by police illegally due to a clerical error. And now he is suing the Victoria Police Department, the officer who he says assaulted him, and BC's Attorney General. A News reporter Stephen Andrew has exclusive details.
Earlier this year, Victoria's police chief told reporters one of his senior officers was under investigation for an incident in police cells.
I have sufficient evidence to warrant the decision on suspension.
Sergeant George Chong, a 28-year member of the department, is facing a criminal charge of assault and is the subject of a Police Act investigation. But the prisoner should not have been in Victoria police cells on the night Chong allegedly assaulted him. Court documents reveal Frank Blair is now suing the Victoria Police Department for wrongful imprisonment and wrongful detention when he was picked up on January the 15th.
The officers identified him that evening, and when they checked him on the computer database, there was a condition that laid out that he did have a curfew. He was found in violation of that curfew, and that's why he was arrested.
But Frank Blair says the court removed that curfew. We went to the court registry and obtained a copy of Frank Blair's bail documents. On it, sure enough, his curfew was deleted on December the 9th, 2009. But that's not the information the Victoria Police had when they arrested Blair 1 month later.
Central Saanich held the initial file. We contacted them and asked for them to forward us a copy of that order, which was done. That order accompanied Mr. Blair to court.
And on that order, it stated that he had a curfew.
That's correct, yeah.
Frank Blair is also suing BC's Attorney General, alleging negligence of court registry staff for failing to notify or publish the amendments to Blair's bail. In his statement of defense, the Attorney General denies the claim.
They're very thorough in how they, what they do, what date.
However, the Central Saanich Police Department, the agency responsible for updating Blair's bail conditions on police computer databases, disagrees.
But looking at all our records, nothing was received by us until the 15th of January.
That was many hours after Blair had been arrested and allegedly assaulted by Sergeant George Chong. In his statement of claim, Frank Blair alleges he sustained injuries and contusions to his mouth and teeth, soft tissue injuries to his neck and head, bruising and swelling. He is seeking damages for wrongful detention, loss of income, and punitive and aggravated damages from the City of Victoria and Sergeant George Chong. None of the allegations has been proven in court. In Victoria, Stephen Andrew, A News.